Right, lemon drizzle cake. I've got in the bowl 6 ounces of caster sugar, 6 ounces of soft butter, and I'm going to whisk those together till light and fluffy. Scrape the sides of the bowl every so often, just to make sure that everything gets caught up in the mixture. I've got 3 medium eggs. I'm going to add these one at a time. Whisk them well in. So I've got 6 ounces of self-raising flour, which I'm going to sift into the bowl. And the grated rind of a lemon. And I'm making this as a dessert rather than a cake, so we're going to have lemon drizzle sponge with custard. So I'm going to mix this in with the whisk. So I've greased a dish. I'm going to stick this mixture in. I've got the oven set at gas 5, 190 centigrade, which is, I think, just a minute, I'll need to check for you. Page 14 on the 1 week cookbook. 375 Fahrenheit. So scrape that all in there. And I'm going to bake it for about half an hour or until it's well risen and baked through. You will notice that this is the same recipe as I use for Victoria sponge, and I intend to show you various different desserts and puddings you can make using that one easy recipe that you'll get to remember. You don't need a cookbook. Once you know how to make that, you can remember it in your head. It's simple. 6 ounces of everything and 3 eggs. Or if you want a smaller version, you can make 4 ounces of everything and 2 eggs. It's just a very simple recipe and very useful. So pop this in the oven now for about half an hour, and meanwhile I'll show you how to make the lemon drizzle. Now for the lemon drizzle. A couple of tablespoonfuls of golden syrup, and the juice of a lemon. Now you get more juice out of a lemon if you give it 5 seconds in the microwave on cook. Because it's warm, it's softer and easier to squeeze. So I'm squeezing it into the syrup through a sieve so that we don't get pips in it. And then I'm going to pop this in the microwave for 10 seconds just to soften the syrup. So the pudding's cooked now. So what I do, I just brick it all over with a fork and pour the lemon drizzle on, and it soaks in. Absolutely delicious. Sometimes I make extra lemon drizzle and just serve it up once it's got the custard on. Can't have too much, can you? Lemon drizzle. Smells wonderful. You and me can't wait to tuck into this with some beautiful custard.